is in my life, so I hustle.
What's up everyone, and welcome to IT Hustle. We'll be continuing the series exploring the Blue Team Field Manual. In the last video, we got into managing the Windows host-based firewall. In this video, we'll be getting into resetting passwords via the command line. So without further ado, let's get it. So from the text, we got the CLI syntax to reset domain and local user passwords via the command line. Let's head over to the lab and check that out. Okay, in the first example, we'll be changing a domain user's password via the command line. So we have net user, net space user, space HR, that's the user we're going to be resetting, / domain to specify domain user, and then we're going to set the password value to security is fun. Okay, the command completed successfully. Password's been reset for that user. So in the next example, the syntax can change a domain or local user's password. That's net space user space HR, and then we're going to set it to for real, it's awesome. Now, if you're on a domain controller like this server here, it will change the domain user's password. If you're accessing the command line or target machine remotely, it would change the password of the local user on the target machine. Let's go ahead and copy that. And the command completed successfully. Password's been reset for the user. And for the last example, we'll be resetting a local user's password remotely with PS Tools. This is the same tool set that was introduced in video 10, user activity. So the syntax ps pass wd.exe whack management, because we're going to do this for the management user. And then we're going to do this as the user -u administrator -p, and then we got to put the administrator's password, space the user in question that we're going to be resetting, space the password that we want to set for the user in question. So let's copy that. And I have PS Tools in the root directory, C Windows, that's why I went there from Jump Street. So paste that in there. And the password's been set for local user IT Hustle on the management machine. So that's it for this video, a little short. We saw we can reset domain and local passwords via the command line if we need to, but why will we need to? So passwords may need to be reset immediately for a few scenarios like account compromise. The account in question is being used to attempt escalation, lateral movement, or other malicious activities. Additionally, the syntax could be used in a playbook or runbook. In summary, knowing how to reset local and domain user passwords remotely is a fundamental aspect of cybersecurity and access control. It helps protect sensitive data, maintain user account security, and respond swiftly to security incidents, ensuring the integrity and availability of an organization's digital resources. In the next video, we'll have some fun with the host file. All resources from this video will be linked in the description. If you haven't already and digging the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.
I want to find the things in my life